Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Afzal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen about the intent concept we have seen. In today's video, we are going to see about the components of Android. In Android, there are four major components. First one is the activity, second one is service, third one is the broadcast receiver, and the fourth one is the content provider. If you know about the basics of these four components, then probably you can say that I know about the Android application development. So we know that we have seen about the activity, right? Every single screen with some UI design, user interact with the device through activity. We'll see one example. So this is my phone preview. So I am selecting one of the application like Play Store I'm selecting. When I click on the Play Store, it will navigate to the home screen, it will navigate, right? This is nothing but a activity. Below you will find the four buttons. This is nothing but the UI component. If the user click on the app button, it will navigate to the app page, it will navigate. If the user click on the game button, it will navigate to the game page. Okay. So this is nothing but the activity. Service is nothing but a long running background process without user interaction is known as service. With user interaction, we call as activity. Without user interaction, we can call as service. So let us take one example of alarm. If I want to wake up in the early morning at 5 a.m., so I'll simply set an alarm, right? And close the application. In the service, we'll return the logic. Whenever the time is 5, we will inform, right? And continuously, we don't need to check whether the time is 5 or not. We'll simply put alarm and close the application. So one more example is media player. If I play some music, if I play music and close the application, in the background, the music will be play, right? So this is about the service. So third one is the broadcast receiver. Broadcast receivers are registered for system announcement. So we'll see one example. When the user connect a charger, how our device is recognizing that user have been connected charger or disconnected a charger. When the user click on the power button, how our device is recognizing that. How our device is recognizing that user have been click on the power button. Whenever the user connect a headset, then how our device are recognizing that user have been connected headset or disconnected headset. So this is done by broadcast receiver. Broadcast receiver are registered for system announcement. So this is the concept of broadcast receiver. If you want to perform system announcement, then use broadcast receiver. And the final one is the content provider. Content provider are used to share the data between multiple applications. Okay, we'll see one example. For example, we are having two applications, X application and Y application. And X application is storing some data in the database, right? And the Y application want to access the data of X application. Directly in Android, it is not possible to access other application data. So if you want to access the data, then you need to allow the content provider so that we can access the other application data into our application. So we'll see real-time example. So we are having contacts application and the other application is WhatsApp. So can we access the contacts in WhatsApp application? Yes, we can access, right? We are having one more example, call logs, and the other application name is Truecaller. So we'll get the information of call logs in the Truecaller application because the application is providing content provider. The application itself providing content provider to other application to access the data. Okay, if the application is using content provider, then you can access the data from other application also. Okay, so that's why WhatsApp application is accessing the contacts data it is accessing, and the Truecaller application is accessing the data of call logs. Okay, this is the concept of content provider.